If you can't write your edge in one sentence, you don't have one. You have hope. And hope is the most expensive thing a trader can own. Stay with me for 10 minutes, and you'll be able to write that sentence, or know exactly why you can't yet. Welcome to the Trading Strategies track. Episode 1. Before we touch a single strategy, moving averages, breakouts, any of it, we have to answer the only question that decides whether any of them will ever pay you. What is an edge? Let me show you the purest edge on earth. Blackjack, played perfectly, is almost a coin flip. The casino wins about 51% of hands. The player wins 49, 2%. That's it. That's the whole empire. The lights, the towers, the fountains, built on 2%. Look at this curve. For the first few hundred hands, luck is real. Players get ahead. The house even dips below zero. But the casino doesn't flinch, doesn't double the stakes, doesn't walk away. It just deals the next hand. 4,000 hands later, the outcome isn't likely anymore. It's inevitable. The house never predicts your cards. It doesn't need to. A small edge, repeated relentlessly, becomes certainty. So here's the definition, and I want you to be strict about every word of it. An edge is positive expectancy, repeated over many trades. Notice what it's not. It's not a prediction. You never need to know what happens next. It's not a win rate, and in 2 minutes I'll show you a trader who wins 90% of the time and still goes broke. And it's not a feeling. If it lives in your gut instead of on paper, it isn't an edge yet. It's a mood, one equation. This is the only one the entire track needs. Expectancy equals your win rate times your average win minus your loss rate times your average loss. Let's run it. Say you win only 35% of the time, but winners make 3R and losers cost 1R. That's 0.35 times 3 minus 0.65 times 1 plus 0.4R per trade. Look at the chart. Look at those losing streaks. 4, 5, 6 red bars in a row. That's not a broken system. That is exactly what a healthy edge feels like from the inside. The single trade is noise. The average is the business. This is the mental shift that separates the two kinds of people who open a trading account. The predictor needs to be right. This time. His whole world is the next trade. And when the market disagrees, he argues, because his ego is on the line. The edge trader only needs to be right on average across 100 trades. When one fails, she cuts it without a second thought, because no single trade was ever the point. The market doesn't pay you for being right. It pays you for positive expectancy, executed without drama. Now, the proof I promised. Why win rate alone is meaningless. System A wins 90% of the time. Feels amazing. 90 winners out of 100, $50 each. But the 10 losers cost $600 each. Run the math. That account loses $1,500 every 100 trades. A slow bleed with a great mood. System B wins only 40% of the time. Feels terrible. 6 losing months a year of feelings. But winners make 300, losers cost 100. And it banks 6,000 per 100 trades. Same market, same 100 trades. The difference is the size of the wins against the size of the losses. Stop asking, how often am I right? Start asking, what happens when I am? Remember the opening line? Here's the test behind it. Every real edge fits in one sentence, like this. I take this setup because of this crowd behavior, risking 1R to make 3R, and it wins about 40% of the time. The setup, something a stranger could spot on a chart. The exit math, risk and reward, fixed before entry, not negotiated after. The frequency, an honest number you could be proven wrong about. So pause this video. Try to write yours. If the pen doesn't move, that's not failure. That's the diagnosis. And this track is the treatment. Now, let me introduce you to the stock we'll trade for the entire track. This is MERIDIAN. It's fictional, on purpose. No hindsight, no survivorship bias, no, well, actually, from the comments. Just a clean laboratory. Here's the trade that anchors this whole track. Entry at $40, stop at $38. Target at $46. Risk $2 to make $6. A 1-to-3 trade. And notice, I said the trade we must earn the right to take. Because between here and that entry sits everything this series teaches. When this trade is brilliant, and when the exact same numbers are a donation. Same numbers every episode, so the math becomes reflex. A $10,000 account, risk per trade, 1%. That's the shield system rule. $100, never more. The stop sits $2 below entry, so 100 divided by 2, 50 shares. Position size isn't a guess. It falls out of the math. From here on, every result in this track is quoted in R. 1R is your $100 risk. Target hit plus 3R, stop hit, minus 1R, NSE or New York. Doesn't matter. The tickers change. The math never does. If expectancy or the 1% rule felt new just now, the Shield System series is linked below. It's the foundation this track stands on. Time to kill a myth you've definitely heard. A good trader can profit from any random entry. It's all about management. No, expectancy math says otherwise. A random entry has zero edge before costs, negative after. Skilled management can shape the losses, but it cannot conjure expectancy out of a coin flip. No edge in, no profit out. And those legendary traders who just feel it? That feeling is a memorized edge, pattern recognition burned in over thousands of trades. It's not the absence of an edge. It's one written in a place you can't read. 16 years on the desk. Let me tell you the pattern that never broke. Every losing phase I have ever seen, mine, colleagues, students, traced back to the same route, trading without a written edge. Not bad luck, not the market makers, not the news. Bad luck is just what a missing edge is called at parties. 3 things leave with you today. 1. An edge is expectancy times repetition, the casino's business model ported to charts. 2. Win rate is a fragment. 90% winners can go broke. 40% winners can get rich. Size completes the math. 3. If you can't write it in one sentence, you don't have it yet. But wait, if edges exist, if the math is this simple, why do 90% of traders still lose? Because there are exactly 4 ways a trading strategy dies, and 3 of them are self-inflicted. That's the next episode. Don't trade a single strategy before you've seen it. The full Trading Strategies playlist is on screen, every episode, in order, one complete system, by the end. Subscribe, and I'll see you in episode 2.